Hi, my name is Christine. I'm a registered nurse and ostomy specialist with HPFY, and I'd like to talk with you about the Osto-EZ-Vent. It's an air releasing system for ostomy pouches. This is what it looks like. All right, it's sticky on the one side, and this would close over to seal. Now, these you can put on pouches with filters or without. These ones don't clog. So I know that sometimes pouches with filters will clog once they get wet on the inside. This is just an easy way to vent. There is no charcoal in it, so you will have odor. You do want to make sure you're in a private place when you do the venting. So what you would need to do is first you want to clean your pouch, and you want to place it up here. And you're going to clean it with some rubbing alcohol until this shiny portion is gone. So the alcohol will take that away. It will no longer be shiny. And then you're going to peel the back off of the EZ-Vent. Okay, and then you're just going to place it right on that cleaned area. All right, press it firmly, and then you do want to let it sit for 24 hours. This way it allows to bond to the pouch material. And then after 24 hours, what you're going to do is in the hole inside, I don't know if you can see that, you want to take the point of a scissor and you want to put it in there and twist it around so that you're putting a hole into the pouch. That's where the air is going to escape. And you do want that hole or that opening in the pouch to be as big as this hole in the vent. And then once you've done that, you're going to go ahead and close the vent. And now it is sealed, so you won't have any leakage and you won't have any odor until you're ready to actually open the vent itself. It's once you put that hole in it, the pouch is ready to use. So you can apply these ahead of time so that they're ready whenever you need it. To vent it, you just pull that out, squeeze the pouch to allow the air out, and close it again. And again, this product is available on HPFY.